I told you to go. What are you still doing here?
We have come to say we are sorry for all the past.
We are sorry. Eh? You are sorry after you insult you poured on me.
We are sorry for insulting you. We shouldn't have insulted you or mocked you. We are really
sorry.
No, come on. Get up. I'm not God. But I'm not going to be your friend again because the level has changed.
We'll be so obliged if you can employ us to work in your son's site as laborers.
Is that all you want?
Please, your contact.
Is that all you want? Okay, you'll be employed. You report to the manager at the site. I will speak to him, but I'll pay you only 1,000.
1,000?
No. Others are collecting 2,000.
You don't want to work, collect 1,000. You go now.
No, Kunta, we will accept it. We will accept it. We will accept it. Forget about my friend's earlier statement. We will accept it.
All right. You can go. I called you back, you and your friend, based on the discussion we had last time when before you left for Naija.
Papa, what's up?
That's good, man. I've discovered a very powerful automobile man. Very powerful.
Papa, you say?
Very powerful automobile man.
Where is this man?
Calabar. The man is at Calabar. So you make our time. Delay is dangerous.
Calabar, here we come.
Ozubo.
What you seek, we shall find.
We shall be very grateful if we do get one.
The sheep that wishes to grow big teeth must be ready to grow big lips that will cover them. It's going to be a 3-day ritual rite inside the shrine. They will meet you in 3 days. You may go now.
Thank you.
You may now lie on the casket. Remove your cap and your eyeglasses.
I wanted to shock you. Asanwa, how are you?
Odima, my sister, Odima. This one you came out early this morning.
My sister, I had to rush my chores at home because I want to come and see your brother. You didn't tell me he's back.
I'm so sorry, I'm sorry. He came in yesterday and had to live with my father.
Your father? I hope all is well.
Relax, all is well. They went to Calabar to go and see a new house my brother recently acquired.
A house? Hey! That your brother is indeed in money. Eh? But I never knew aluminium company workers are this rich.
See this one though. You think it's those small aluminium company you hear about on the radio? He works with a multinational company.
Hey. Hi, my dear. How lucky you are.
So,
God has indeed made your family proud.
And you will soon be a part of that same family.
Amen.
My legs are saying
See, don't worry, I'll let you know as soon as he comes back. I'm sure he should be back like in a day or so. Okay. And you know Calabar is very far from here. So not to worry, I'll definitely tell you.
My dear, let me go and help my mother in the farm. I lied to her that I'm going to my tailor's place.
Chai, Lucy! You can lie, oh! Oh yeah, go.
I'll come and see you later. Go. I'm waiting for you. Oh, okay, don't worry, I'll let you know. Okay. When I see you, I'll have this for you later. Yes, you are now back from the death of the flesh to a new life. Welcome, my children. You are now indestructible. Nothing will harm you anymore. Waka Loko!
Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha. We fear nobody. We fear nobody. We shake the town. We fear nobody.
Have you seen Shakina and Oslange recently?
I have not seen them.
And you know where they live?
Sure.
Go and get them for me. It's time I teach them lessons. Nobody leaves the town without my consent.
Consider it done.
Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha. Shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha.
When I was coming up, our neighbor stopped me. He said somebody came to look for us. With the way he described the person, I guess it's Otaka.
Otaka, what does he want from us?
Maybe he Smith something.
Smith. Well, thanks for not calling that big fool our boss.
It's very obvious that he's very angry with us the way we left him. It's quite obvious.
I am about to take over, and nothing can stop me.
What are your plans? How do you intend to take over?
I didn't query now.
Shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha. We fear nobody.
The gladiators, listen and listen real good. I called you all out here for a serious purpose. This man is too old to be our boss. Come on. This is new generation, jet generation. I can single-handedly kill this old fool that calls himself our boss. Then I will reprogram this organization, invent new things. For instance, when we now hit on any deal, it will be equal share, no 60-40. That man is too old to be our boss.
Bam talk. See, let me tell you.
Check it out. No, it be like say your brain no dey breathe again. Abi?
What's the beginning?
No, your brain no dey work again. How dare you? Just imagine. How dare you voice out such thing for your mouth? How dare you? How dare you?
Listen, everyone. We all sworn allegiance to stick to the powers that guides the league, and we will stick to it till the end come. Oko sisi adiepu nankete.
Now I am what I do. Listen, I'll tell you something. What Chakin Chancha, Chocolate Cha by Chakin Cha said is the real thing. Let us be reasonable. Yeah. We cannot have a stingy and a greedy man as a boss. As a leader, it's not done anywhere.
Shut up! Shut up, Jerry! Shut up! Shut up, man! Our boss is not greedy. I don't know what you know. Not you and this your friend, and I'll be the greedy man. Since you guys came into this place, it's all about greed. Wagam! If our boss hears of this your plot, now die you.
I want to you know, you go tell her. You call in, call. You know, you call look about.
Ofora. Now how you away? Listen, calm down. Like I said before, it's not a shouting ish. Listen really good. It's jet generation, new generation. We need to upgrade. Let's see tomorrow. Let's see the future. Let's make this thing bigger. Let's upgrade. This man is too old to be our boss. Don't you understand? If I become the new leader here, no more 60-40.
You want to become new Exodus?
Excuse me. I see vividly well that you are out of your mind. I am not interested in this your suggestion again. You that I always find in the zoo, your friend. Be very careful. Be one! Okosisi anaghị ịpụ na nkịtị. I am off now.
Ma agbabu gị. Ị na-etidokwa be part of this. Ma agbabu unu now.
Nna, ị na-etidokwa, mụ na-etidokwa.
Agwa m na ndị ọzọ ị ga-like ya. You will say that you be new Exodus, Abi. Ngagwa na ya dey say me. You see for this matter, when you dey young show with this arrocha. Ndị ọzọ ị ga-like ya.
Obi apaiwa wa ndị mgbu dị gore.
I don't know about you.
I'm
not part of this.
Pale pobofu ndị mgbu. Petala fazo okwu biko ndị mgbu.
Una, I don't hear nonsense. Una don't hear nonsense. Chekina. Now one day. You don't hear for call. No, you hear for call. I didn't say me and you there. You don't for call.
Why you onyembu?
No, you don't for call.
Why you onyembu? Ndimbu. Ulu nchanga babu ncha. Nga babu no vovu. Let me tell you what you go happen. Leave these ones. Since they not concord to wait you talk. I better Anna. I follow you sin no. I follow you sin no. Ya chai sin no. Pianya ntina no wanyo ola. Da. Ekwana miru. Ma follow you sin no. Follow you sin no. Pianya ntina ni si ewe lukube. Wanyo ola. Da gene my.
Odogune pempe. Odogune pempe.
Chakin cha by chaklecha.
Odogune pempe.
Congratulations to your Nuru.
Odogune pempe.
Afudika fogorogia.
Odogune pempe.
Dika de go vama pugoba. Mfoli sunno. Mchachanya. Isiegwe lokube. Onwanyo ola. Nda kita.
Believe me, Lucy. I thought he would spend a day or two before leaving.
But you told me he went to Calabar.
Yes. He went with my father and returned to Onitsha a day after he got back.
Why so fast?
Relax. He got a call from his boss at work to accompany him to Ghana. So he had to tag his friend Osita along with him.
Did you just say Ghana? Wait. So your brother will fly aeroplane to Ghana?
Look at this one though. Dubem will fly aeroplane to Onitsha if it's even possible.
Sad I didn't see him again.
Relax. He said he is going to come back to the village immediately after he returns from Ghana. But trust your friend now. I told him about it.
Are you sure?
I told him that a friend of mine seriously wants to see him. He promised me though that he will see you as soon as he arrives. So prepare to meet my brother.
I will now. I'm so happy. Thank you.
You're my friend. I can't say anything for you now.
Oh, thank you.
See, your boss is dead.
Yes, he's dead. He was shot.
Shot? By who?
by me.
You? How dare you? How dare you take out the only man I do business with?
DPO, leadership is rotational. No king will rule forever. And the only constant thing in life is change. His time was up, so I sent him across to the other side of the world.
I'm going to send you the same place you sent him. For being so bold to come with me with such guts.
Let's be realistic here. You and I know that you can't kill me. I'm here just to find out. Are you with me or against me?
Leave my office. Leave your office! Leave your office. I will leave your office. Which office? This one office. Office where you didn't get AC. They sweat. Appeal. We only came here to tell you about the new development. I also want to tell you that we don't need your protection anymore. We don't need your help. Because you never help anybody. Maybe the rest of the gangs might want it. Because they are not protected, they are not fortified. We are well equipped. But DPO, if you feel in your own mind that you want to go against our will, right? DPO, I'm going to take by roundabout to Toriagi. So come you go. But if you agree to work with us, DPO. Who plays on the pro? So what do you think? Say something.
Well, gentlemen, I've heard what you said. Who am I to deny myself the opportunity of getting from this new company? I'm with you.
Now you're talking. I promise my regime will favor you. Welcome to my new page. Odogune Pempe.
AKA Namidi Shakina. Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha.
You see, like I said before, once you keep being loyal to my government, you will keep getting returns.
Oh, I will. As I said before, I believe in your government.
I believe you, DPO.
Sadubem.
No, you're missing some. Not Sadubem. My new name, my latest name is Shakina.
Oh! I remember. Shakina.
Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha.
You told me that you had pushed everything that happened in the past behind you.
I did, Father. Until I got a call from Kelvin.
Kevin? Your fiancé?
Yes, my fiancé in London. He said he's coming to see you for the preparation of our wedding.
God.
I don't know how to explain the only man that truly loves me, that I'm carrying a monster's child.
Baby, but it's not your fault. You know it. It's not your fault. You were raped. How I wish you had told him earlier on phone, so he could make a decision.
Father, I don't know how to tell him. I don't know. I can't tell him.
Then we better don't say a word until he comes. I will explain everything to him and he will understand. Okay? He will understand.
Papa, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. This is why you're watching your traveling bag. I hope you don't intend to travel.
I want to travel to Onitsha.
You don't get to
To see my brother, of course. I called him and he said he's back from Ghana. So I want to go and spend some time with him.
Okay, but I phoned your brother this morning. He said he's coming for the weekend. So there's no need going.
Papa, are you serious?
Yes, when he comes now, you can ask him.
In that case, I will phone him again just to be very sure.
Don't give my phone.
But Papa, this one I'm going to Onitsha. You need to start learning how to cook for yourself. Or maybe you will start eating outside. Because I'm not your wife, oh Papa.
I know you're not my wife. Very soon I will marry. You don't need to bother yourself.
Papa.
Huh? And I like you're going to Onitsha. To be honest, I like you're going to Onitsha so that when you go there, you know whether you can capture one rich man. Use your beauty and everything in you to capture, come and marry you. And bring plenty money for the dowry.
Papa!
You see? But who told you I can cook? Who told you? I cook very well when I was a bachelor. And even if I don't know how to cook now, my son is a rich man, can hire a cook for me. Can hire a cook for me, who will cook for me. Or he will give me money to marry.
Papa, I've heard you.
So better go and get me my food.
Papa, you are rich.
Get a rich person, no marry a rich person. So when I go for Mungo, I will know what to do.
Shakina.
Buy gloves. Aha.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
How is the work progressing? My friend, where is Ayaka?
It's even the one I'm calling. He said he's coming. I don't know where he has gone.
It means that he went out now or he hasn't come to work. Which one?
It was with us here.
Where is he now? please tell him that I'm cutting 500 naira from his pay.
Okonta, don't do that. You know he's our friend now. Don't do that.
Which friend? I'm not your friend again. I think I told you that.
I am pleading on his behalf. Don't cut his.
But if you plead more, I'll cut your own as well.
No. Okay. No, remove his own. Don't remove my own.
Where is he now? Where is that boy? That man is.
Ayaka.
Get back to
Go
work.
back to your work.
Like father, like son, like son, like father, like father, like son, like son, like father.
I want to say a very big thank you for the way you're handling my project. You're monitoring it very, very well. I'm quite impressed. So thanks a lot. I appreciate it.
They are thanking me. They are thanking me for helping my son to build his own house. After as your father, I must equally bad owner of the house.
You are a good father.
Why are you buying a melon wine? Why are you buying a melon wine?
Tomorrow, I would like to see that the electrician, yes, and the plumber as well. Yeah, I need to see these two people tomorrow.
Yes, I remember. I've been to the electrician.
Okay.
And he said that we have to pay 100K so that they can connect us to the new transformer.
Papa, where is the list for the market?
My friend, how can you just spread 5,000 to prepare offense salad?
But Papa, I have to buy one full fowl.
Can't, even at that. Even at that.
It's okay.
Money is hard, though.
But this is Dikeh. If you like, buy 2 chicken. Have fun.
I will, and you enjoy it very well.
Say wah. My guy.
We be the baddest. I rap, I sing, I come MC, I go on the show, I back fancy, I go on the club, I pop something. Every girl, mommy, go and buy something.
Chucky now.
You're welcome.
How are you? You're good.
I missed you.
I make sure, my love. How are you?
I'm fine.
Got you something.
Thank you. I like it.
Amara, they go market.
Go. I'll see you later. With the market.
I said they go.
I'll go.
No, take your time. I want for you.
Daddy, I didn't take notice of you. I'm sorry.
Don't worry. It won't run
Daddy.
I was about coming to your house. But I came back yesterday. Yes.
And you waited to tell me now. Why did you wait so long?
Lucy, Julian, what is down? We should leave our brother that just came back to fetch you. Calm down first. Alpha.
I don't want what happened last time to repeat again, please.
Relax. Love one thing. Don't worry, he's not leaving anytime soon. I was about to even prepare Ofe Salad for him.
Hey, right away, I'm coming with you. I will give you a hand in doing it.
Here. Go with you. this one you're leaving, at least you would have waited to meet my brother to thank him for the bread.
Oh, don't worry, I'll come tomorrow. I have to go home and help my parents.
Okay, if you say so.
Oh, don't need you.
Come on, get out of here! Look at you. You think I want to spoil you from seeing her brother?
Who wants you?
Nonsense, girl. Alright, my love.
Alright, my dear. Don't worry, eh? I'll keep the nsala soup for you so that I can come and eat it later, okay? Okay. Send me well to your friend. Bye. Come and eat it later.
Alright, later now, my friend. Asa.
Don't worry, calm down. Cool it down. Cool down, don't worry, eh? Don't worry, I'll do all the talking. Just take after me, just wait.
Susan!
Welcome back.
How are you?
I'm fine. Brother, I want you to... Hope you remember her.
Good afternoon.
Lucy.
She looks familiar. No, it's been a while.
She's a very good friend of mine.
Okay.
And I want to introduce her to you for friendship.
My dear, how are you?
Sorry. Let me go inside, eh? Let me go and check what's on fire. I'll be back.
Alright.
I'll be back, eh?
Fine.
Are you in school or street?
I'm done with secondary level. I just wrote JAMB to enter university.
Okay. That's nice. You're doing good for yourself.
Okay. Excuse me. Please, can I have your number? Okay, let me give you mine.
Okay.
Sir, here.
Alpha. Ade. That's it.
My son, see, I admire your courage. I admire your courage and your desire to help humanity. But to depose an incumbent way, to depose him and take over from him is very difficult.
Papa, no. Okongu guy, no. Impossible is nothing. Let me tell you, Okongu guy. Real men want 3 things in life.
Yeah.
3. 1, money. 2, fame. 3, power.
Fame and power.
Money, fame, and power. Okongu guy, I have money. So I need fame and power to balance it. I want my name to be ringing bell.
That's a noble ambition. I want to be famous. But it's difficult. It can't be possible.
Okongu guy, with money, all things are possible. Yes. That Igwe is just an old analog king. I want to be the first digital Igwe because I can communicate easily with my people. The youths will connect with me easily because we are like minds. Don't you understand?
My son, I admire your good intentions. I admire your vision and your desire to help humanity, to uplift humanity. That's the one I like most. But to help the helpless. But Dikeh will not agree to step down.
Papa, I hate negative vibe. Stay positive. Let me tender my proposal first, before you jump into conclusion. After all, you can't barb a man's head in his absence.
I agree with you. You can't barb a man in his absence. Let's give it a trial. You're right.
So, Kupulum can go there first. I'm all in Japan forward.
Then go ahead.
Hope you're enjoying yourself.
Yes, I'm enjoying myself. You've been taking me around the whole village since the morning.
I'm ready to take you anywhere of your choice, anywhere you want to go to. I'm ready to take you there. The money is here. It's meant to be spent, so we're going to spend it.
I'm so happy to know you.
Same here. I love you so much, Amara.
I love you too. I'm becoming to Naija soon.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow, that would be lovely. When are you planning to come?
I'll let you know.
Oh, I can't wait to have you around. At least I'm going to spoil you.
Really?
I'll take you places. You know, in Naija we have no ShopRite.
Wow.
Yeah, I'll take you there, you see movies, and I'll buy you whatever you want. You know?
Okay.
I'm so happy to meet you. So happy to know you. So happy to be your man.
I expected that by now you should have told me why you are here. But since your crimes have blocked your mouth and closed your mouth from speaking, leave my palace. I said leave my palace!
You will stop shouting, let me pass a message. You are too old to be ruling young people. It's a new generation, jet generation, digital world. You are what I call analog king. There is no connection. Alright, for instance, you are not on Facebook. You are not on WhatsApp. You are not on Instagram. No modern means of communicating to the people you are ruling. So you're just a dummy king. I suggest you go down, let me become the king. What? So that the youths will be happy. Everybody will be happy.
What? I can see you have lost your senses. No wonder. And this is why you carry yourself about as if you are something else. You raise your shoulders as if you are something else. Now, leave my palace. Leave my palace, I say!
Listen, you have nothing to lose. I will offer you 5 million naira. 5 million naira cash just to get out of this throne. Let me be the king so that the youths will enjoy. You don't know what's up now. Let's be realistic here. Do you?
To hell with your blood money! Get out of this palace!
Listen, let me tell you, analog king. If you don't conquer in peace, you will definitely conquer in pieces.
Hey! Don't worry. We shall see.
Good afternoon, sir. Yes, sir. My men and I are doing what we could to apprehend those criminals. Yes, sir. We are making a progress. Yes, sir. Military police? So I said we are progressing. Of course. Yes, sir. I understand that my job is at risk. Yes, sir. Sure, sir. I see. So this man wants to put an end to my career. I see. Now I will contact those boys. That's what I will do. Yes.
Sir, I was expecting your call.
Did I say I will call you?
Bro, I gave you my number. Anyway, I picked snails early this morning, so I want to go and get foodstuffs. I want to prepare a very delicious meal for you. Eh? You will like it.
Shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, shakincha, shakina, shakincha.
I knew it, my son. I knew it, that Igwe Nathaniel Nkema Akonam, Igwe Nathaniel Nkemo Akonam will never agree to step down, even if you offer him the whole world. I knew it.
Okongu guy, that man is just an old miserable fool.
Yes.
Can you imagine? He turned down my 5 million naira. 5 million naira.
You gave him 5 million and he refused to accept it?
Oh yes, I did.
He rejected 5 million?
Yes.
Poverty is a disease. Poverty is a disease. That is how his father was behaving. And he died a wretched man. His father died a wretched man, my son. Let him keep his throne. If he likes, let him die on his throne. After he has no heir parent, no heir to the throne, except that a useless girl names who impregnated her later on. But for now, nothing. We can use that money for some other business, profit-yielding business.
It's obvious. It's obvious poverty runs in their lineage.
Correct.
But guess what? I'm not giving up on that throne. Read my lips. I am not giving up on that throne. I know what to do.
Your tone shows that you have something in mind. My guy, what is it?
The elders.
Oh, I see.
And I need your help, Okongugai. Yes. I will give you money, enough money. I want us to buy all the elders. Once I have all the elders, the throne is mine.
You are really determined. You are determined, and I will assist you. I will assist you, tell me.
And I don't query now. And I don't query now.
Igwe! Igwe!
Oyabale.
Like this, hope all is well.
My dear, she said it's your brother.
My brother? What did he do?
I saw him yesterday when I was going to the market. I greeted him, but it's not me. And he doesn't have my time.
Are you sure something is not upsetting him?
Asa, what would upset him that he couldn't even answer me very well? I was about preparing a snail soup for a man that doesn't even know I exist.
Calm down, Ozo.
Lucy.
He will know you exist.
I told you not to worry, everything is fine. Let's see, I'm sure someone must have offended him or something went wrong. But you know now, I'm here for me. Why do you have me here?
Oh, why
I don't want you to cry again. It's okay. Smile, come, I have something for you.
I know if you know, I'm just a young boy chilling with my own joy. Me, why is she looking at me? Does she wanna put the evil spirit on me? The still upcoming when they get the money. Next year by this time we don't go overseas. Cause I call her the diva, she said I got fever. I got her for liver, we put her for river. See, we be making up. See how the girls self, they be dressing up. See how the chicks self, they be fucking up. Cause we done the drink 7-Up.
Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. Now we be the baddest. We dey kill and the show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. YFG the baddest. Now we be the baddest.
Look into my eyes, I'm a gangster. I dey see things, I don't know.
Yes, I'm preparing because I'm leaving for Onisha first thing tomorrow morning.
So soon?
Yes, our general overseer is coming back tomorrow and he would like to see me once he gets done.
These days you hardly spend any time in the village.
I am now a businessman, not like those days I do nothing.
Zubem, are you going back with Osita?
Of course. He's one of our supervisors in the company, so definitely we are going back together.
Okay, but Zubem, I want to go back with you to Onitsha. The other time I told Papa that I wanted to come, he said no because you were coming back to the village. But now you're leaving tomorrow. Me, I must go with you and don't say no to me.
No. If you go back to Onitsha with me, you will definitely regret it. You know why? I leave very early in the morning. I come back midnight. So boredom will be your portion. Don't even go there.
Don't mind. In as much as I leave this village, I want to go back to the city with you. I don't want you to say no this time.
Are you serious? Alright, you win. Go get ready. We are traveling back to Onitsha.
Thank you. Let me quickly go inside and go and pack my bag. Hey, city babe. What is going on between you and my friend Lucy?
What is Lucy?
Zubem. Don't tell me you've forgotten my friend I just introduced to you here a few days ago.
That your Lucy friend has been bugging my life. I told her I'm not ready for any relationship, but she wouldn't listen.
Zubem, you need a woman in your life.
No, I don't. I don't need a woman. Listen, let me tell you, relationships slows vision, so I'm not ready for any girl now. I need to focus, okay?
Okay, if you see so. If you say so, let me go inside and go and prepare.
Oh, but just go and prepare. We're going back to your house together, okay?
I'm a J, I know be Fino. I'm just a young boy chilling with my own girl. Me, why is she looking at me? Does she wanna put the evil spirit on me? The still upcoming when they get the money. Feel like say by this time we don't they go overseas. Cause I call her the diva. She said I got fever. I got her for liver.
Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina.
Welcome to our...
This is so beautiful. Are you saying the both of you live here?
Yes, it is company's house, but I'm planning on getting another suite apartment. What's up, man? Yes, I traveled to the village, or just came. Okay, alright, I'm coming. What's that? So then, we need to roll a business call.
Are you saying both of you are going out?
Yeah, there's an emergency business.
Chakencha, I don't think I'll be rolling with you, man. I'm tired. As you can see, we're just coming back from the village. I need to rest.
I'll be alone. Ami, please be comfortable, yeah?
Okay.
Sure, I have. No, listen. Store on your own. Do you understand? Store on your own.
Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha.
Seriously, I don't understand. Why will the CP send in military police? Why?
And then it became imperative because of my failure to have arrested the people that gunned down the 2 officers posted to my station.
Come on. I said I'm sorry about those 2 lousy officers. They won't use me collect promotion. Then they carry police work for head. Now then the government.
No. I'm the one to be sorry. For not presenting with suspects as we usually do. Look, I may not protect you and the rest of your gangs if those special officers are sent here. I'm about being pushed out of my position as the DPO. The next thing that follows, dismissal because of my poor record. But I want you and your men to embark on a very special operation.
What operation are you talking about?
Very good. I got an intel that a very huge amount of money meant for ecological projects will move to Agro Community Bank in the next 2 days.
How authentic is this information?
I got it from a very reliable source. And I don't want to miss this opportunity of grabbing a huge amount of money before my dismissal.
Alright then, I need authentic information of when and where this money will be taken to and how many mobile officers that will be escorting this money.
Good. Look, it will be a dangerous one.
Why?
Because many mobile policemen will be guiding the money.
Mr. DPO, my name is Shakina, aka Mobile police officers are my regular customers. Just give me accurate detail where and when this money will move and how many mobile officers will be escorting this money. That's all, okay?
Very good. I'll complete the information very soon.
Good.
Shakina, chakincha, Shakina, chakincha, Shakina, chakincha, Shakina, chakincha, Shakina.
Instead of asking me, why not just do it yourself?
We fear nobody. We shake the town.
Solenge.
What up?
Let's see. There's a problem in our office.
Just be good for me, okay?
Shakina, chakincha, Shakina,
Listen real good. We will be hitting somewhere in the next few hours. And this hit will be our last hit in this town.
Why?
Because the Commissioner of Police is angry. Very, very angry because of the 2 officers we killed. So he has sent in military police to sanitize the town.
But I thought the DPO is under control.
This is above the DPO. He's even at the verge of losing his job. The Commissioner of Police is very angry.
You said we have a hit.
We are not having a hit. We are hitting somewhere in the next few hours.
Shall we say we go run? Whether DPO, whether military, whether anybody, we go run. Because when I open my guitar, military, police, DPO, I get one yola. They go come up for their seats.
Odogune Pempe.
Chicken now, me will forget DPO, forget the military police, forget the, now make with the Nigerian. I mean, I need calus, I need money. Which one is the last operation? What do you want make men do? I don't believe this one. Oh.
Go run. Fuck DPO. Fuck military. Fuck anybody.
How can I be living a life of cowardice? How? These little boys threaten my life when there is law in this country. No way. I have to take them up. Dubem and Osita, the both of you must rot in jail. Yes. But I have to tell my elders. I'll let them know before I take them up. My people, I called you here for a purpose. And we found Agwa Mwanya si Agwa na dear. You know you are my confidants.
Oh yes.
My closest.
Yes.
What I don't reveal to you, I cannot reveal to any other person.
Igwe.
This stupid boy, this riffraff, this stupid boy you call Dubem, who I call a prince to Dubem, came here uninvited, sat here and offered me 5 million naira that I may vacate my throne for him. To fear! Hello! May thunder strike him dead with his ill-gotten wealth and cost money. He say. Hi. Now listen. There was a time I told you that hoodlums came here and attacked me and my daughter.
I remember very well.
We were rumoring all this while that those good-for-nothing men were strangers.
Of course, they are foreigners.
I have to tell you today that they are sons of the soil. They are sons of the soil.
What? No son of this soil will ever try that. I trust them.
They are no other persons than the same Dubem and the OCD. They came here, they robbed us, they treated us like animals. They raped my own daughter even before my presence. What? I am telling you the truth. Robbery is his only source of livelihood.
Hello, Igwe, and you kept this from us? Hey!
Now, listen. I have woken from my slumber. You see those boys? They will never go unpunished.
See.
Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha. We fear nobody, we fear nobody. We shake the town. We fear nobody, we fear nobody. We shake the city. Udogune pembe, aka Namidi Shakina. Udogune pembe, aka Namidi Shakina. Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina, Chakincha.